Today we'll show you how to update your DJI Mavic 3 with the latest FlySafe database to ensure safe and compliant flying. Many drone operators overlook the importance of keeping their FlySafe database up to date, which can lead to unexpected flight restrictions or even legal issues. You see, drone regulations are constantly changing, and it is our responsibility as drone operators to keep up with these changes. Failure to do so can result in serious consequences, including fines or even confiscation of your drone. Additionally, flying with an outdated FlySafe database can put yourself and others at risk. It is important to prioritize safety and compliance when taking off. With the updated FlySafe database, you will have the latest information on no-fly zones, height restrictions, and other important safety information. It's simply not worth ignoring these updates. The first step is to open the DJI Fly app and connect your drone to your mobile device. From there, you'll need to navigate to the General Settings menu, where you'll find the option to check for FlySafe database updates. It's essential to make sure you're running the latest version of the app to ensure a smooth update process. Once you've checked for updates, you'll be prompted to download and install the latest FlySafe database. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the update and your internet connection. Be patient and let the update process complete before proceeding. When the update is complete, you'll be notified, and you can start flying with the latest safety information. One of the most significant benefits of updating your FlySafe database is the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're flying safely and compliantly. You'll have the latest information on no-fly zones, altitude restrictions, and other critical safety information, giving you confidence in your flying abilities. Additionally, updating your FlySafe database ensures you're meeting the latest regulatory requirements, reducing the risk of legal issues or fines. With the latest FlySafe database, you'll be able to fly with confidence, knowing you're taking every precaution to ensure a safe and enjoyable flight. The most exciting part will be when you successfully complete the update and learn how to confirm that your drone is now equipped with the latest safety information. Once you've updated your FlySafe database, it's essential to test your drone to ensure everything is working correctly. This includes checking your drone's GPS signal, ensuring your drone is recognizing no-fly zones and altitude restrictions, and verifying that your drone is responding correctly to safety warnings. By taking the time to test your drone, you'll be able to identify any issues before they become a problem, reducing the risk of accidents or malfunctions. With the latest FlySafe database, you'll be able to fly with confidence, knowing your drone is equipped with the latest safety information. In short, keeping your FlySafe database up to date not only improves your flying experience, but also ensures compliance with local regulations. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.